Hello guys, welcome to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find the recurve crossbow in one's human. So open up your map by pressing M, and then you have to navigate to the red sands area. If you will just let me, and here it is. So you will find Blackfell and Grey Water, and in between that location you will find the Evergreen area. You have to go to this area, and once you arrive in Evergreen City, locate the large building in the center of the city. This is the main building you need to find. Make your way to the roof of this building. On the roof, you will see a tower, and there is a ladder to climb the tower. So climb the ladder to reach top of the tower. There you will find kind of an secret entrance to jump inside. So go inside it, and there you will find a mystical crate that contains the recurve crossbow blueprint. So that's it for today's guys. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and give us a like. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.